Welcome to the Bermuda 22 Mark II, on display right here at the Greenway Estate in Colby. This 4-bedroom single-storey family home provides exceptional value and a really functional floor plan, making life simple and easy for you and your family. The Bermuda 22 is part of Brae's Accent series and is exclusively available to clients who have registered land or land that is registering within the next 6 months. The Accent series is also the perfect choice for those wanting to get out of the rental cycle and into their own beautiful brand new home. There are a couple of reasons why I really love this functional floor plan. The first is the living areas. There's this beautiful open plan living, dining and kitchen area, as well as a second living area in the center of the home, which is perfect for family living. I also love the placement of the bedrooms. The master suite is at the front of the home, with 2 other bedrooms and the family bathroom off their own separate hallway. But the 4th bedroom is separated in the middle of the home. This offers lots of options for a busy family, because if it's not used as a bedroom, it would make the perfect home office or multifunction room. There is a restriction of the number of sales of this home per month, plus some restrictions are applied for certain build areas. So jump online on the Brae website to check out further details. While you're there, why not check out more details on the home itself, or come and visit it in person right here at the Greenway Estate in Colby.